Today I am coming to you from my classroom for the second time and the last time, well, the second time since the pandemic started and the last time for the school year. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariely Sanchez and I'm a fourth grade teacher in South Florida. Today I am coming to you from my classroom for the second time and the last time, well, the second time since the pandemic started and the last time for the school year, because I have to prep it for the custodians to be able to easily strip the floors and wax them. So big job today. I did bring my mask. I just took it off for this video because I can't breathe with this mask on for a long time, just being honest. We are going to remove all the bookshelves from where I have them in my classroom library area and put them on top of the cabinets. But first, I have to clear off everything from on top of the cabinets and wipe them down and all that stuff. And then take all these books out of the bookshelves and move these bookshelves on top of those cabinets, and also clear up this table and a whole bunch of other stuff. So lots to do. I only have today to do it because next week the custodians will come in and start stripping and working on the floor. So yeah, my mom's here to help me. So we're gonna get it going. Hi, Mom.
Hello. Hi.
Yes. Yeah, those bookshelves behind her also need to be on top of those cabinets. It's a big, big job. And we only have today to do it. So we're gonna get started and hopefully show you progress throughout the video. So let me get started. All right, update time. I am reaching frustration levels. I mean, we have progressed a lot. I'll show you in a moment. And we have been at this, it's like 1:20 right now. We got here like, I think we started working around 9. So we've been working for a while. 10, 11, 12, 1, 4 hours or so, 4.5 hours. So yeah, I think I'm almost done, but I'm exhausted. This is something that usually takes me a week to do when I'm by myself. I'm thankful that my mom is here because we have made a lot of progress, but we have to get this all done today. But this is what we have working on right now. All the bookshelves are now on the cabinet and we've been slowly filling them in. All the books are in there. Chapter books are like we put some in front and some in the back. As you can see there, that's how I get to fit all of them. And this corner is still work in progress, but we're stacking everything up. We still have this here to figure out, and all this stuff here, and this table here. And I still have to figure out what to do with that bookshelf there. To be honest, I don't know where to put it. I think I might just leave it there, because I don't know where I would even put it on top of something. So yeah, still lots to do. All right, everyone, it's now past 3 o'clock and we are done as we're gonna be. And my body hurts. This was no easy task, and I'm so grateful that my mom was here to help me because no idea how I would have accomplished all of this in just one day. But let me show you how the room turned out. So the desk is pretty much empty and we left those boxes on top of there. And the cabinets, as you can see, are piled high and all the way to the back. All this stuff is piled on top of the counter. These things we just had to leave there, and it is what it is. I did put the beanbag and Barry, my mom put Barry on top of the beanbag, on top of the kidney table. That will be moved, of course. The desk, I did not even bother touching them. They never told us to take the students' things out. So it is what it is. Our couch is there, and my stage is up here with our floor table. And those are all the students' headphones, so I'm just gonna leave it there because I have no idea what to do with them. And we did roll up the rug. So that's...
The most we can.
Yeah, the most that we could because it's hard. That rug is big and heavy. And yeah, those computers stay there because that's how they were. And thank you, Mama.
Hi. I'm dying.
We are so tired. We haven't even eaten today. Yeah, and I've been getting muscle spasms all around, like my neck and my back, like on the sides of my back. It's horrible. And I know that usually happens when I overexert myself, and I definitely have. We both have. Hi, future me here. I know I just mentioned I haven't eaten all day, but I just want to let you know, we went to Chipotle, my mom and I. Hi, Mama.
Hello, baby.
And we're eating really good. I haven't eaten. She's worried that her hair is all messed up. You look fine.
I feel like a bird killing with a broom.
She's trying to translate a saying in Spanish. She's trying to say that she feels like a bird that got beaten up by a broom. I feel the same way. Like my body hurts all over. I'm still having muscle spasms in my back, under like my diaphragm, so like right under your lungs. So it's like it's hard to breathe when the pain comes on. It's crazy, but delicious. This, see, I've eaten like half of it. I haven't eaten Chipotle in months. So yeah, we just did the takeout and we're taking some to go for my dad, my uncle, and my son. So yeah, just letting you know, future me did get food and did get hydrated and all that stuff. So back to my old me. But that's it. This is my official, I guess, even though the school year ended last week, Thursday for me, this is my official last day of this school year since the room is done as much as I can do it. And I can officially start my summer break. As you can see from my shirt, summer break is coming. It's already here. So I hope you enjoy coming along with me on this very short video. I'm sorry I couldn't do any time lapses. I didn't bring my tripod, but I guess I was able to show you a little bit of the progress and my thoughts and feelings throughout all of it. I just have to say, my least favorite things to do every school year is one, unpack the room, like take all this stuff down, because I like setting up the room, but taking everything down again. And two, putting all this stuff up at the end of the school year and packing everything up. I do have a lot of things, but that's how it is. And we still don't know what school would look like in August or in late July. They're talking about, I don't know, different models on how we're going to teach. I don't know. I'm just going to enjoy my summer for now, and we'll see where it goes. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought, any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile. Hello, dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.